Welcome back 2026 Ford Falcon. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated returns in modern automotive history. The Falcon nameplate has always carried weight, a mix of muscle heritage and family-friendly usability, and after years of waiting, Ford has finally brought it back with a bold redesign, a modern platform, and performance that pushes it into a whole new league. This isn't just a reboot. It's a resurrection of an icon built for a new generation. And in this video, we're breaking down everything interior quality, exterior styling, performance upgrades, technology, comfort, and of course, the pricing that will decide whether this modern Falcon stands a chance in a fiercely competitive market. The first thing you notice when you approach the 2026 Ford Falcon is how unapologetically aggressive it looks. Ford didn't play it safe. They blended classic Falcon DNA with a futuristic silhouette that feels sharp, athletic, and muscular in all the right places. The front end features a wide, prowling stance, a sculpted hood with deep aerodynamic grooves, and an LED headlight signature that stretches into the fenders, giving the car a predatory look even at a standstill. The grille is large but not overwhelming, with active aero shutters that adjust to improve cooling or reduce drag when needed. The body lines flow in a sleek motion from the pillar to the tail, carrying a sense of motion even when the car is parked. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar, quad exhaust tips, and an integrated diffuser make it clear this car means business. Even the smallest details, like the flush door handles and the optional carbon fiber trim packages, add to the Falcon's presence on the road. Whether you pick the base trim or the performance variant, the exterior design is impossible to ignore. Stepping inside the 2026 Ford Falcon, the transformation is just as dramatic. Ford has rebuilt the interior from the ground up, making it more premium and more driver-focused than any Falcon that came before it. You're greeted with a wide digital cockpit featuring a curved 15.5-inch infotainment screen paired with a 12-inch digital gauge cluster. The graphics are crisp, the animation smooth, and the response time almost instant. The new SYNC interface supports over-the-air updates, real-time vehicle monitoring, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a customizable home layout that lets you arrange your most used functions. The cabin materials feel upscale, with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, leather or suede seating options, ambient lighting, and metallic accents that wrap around the dash. The seats themselves are heavily bolstered for performance driving but comfortable enough for long highway cruises. Ford has clearly borrowed some inspiration from both the Mustang and the European Ford lineup, taking the best elements and blending them into a unique interior identity for the Falcon. Space is another strong point. The front passengers get plenty of room, while rear passengers enjoy improved legroom, shoulder space, and headroom compared to previous generations. The trunk is deep and practical, making the car suitable for daily use. Sound insulation has also taken a leap, with thicker glass and new underbody dampening that significantly reduces road noise. The optional B&O premium sound system elevates the experience even further, offering crisp highs and deep, clean bass. Everything inside feels modern, well-designed, and intentionally crafted to make the Falcon not just fast, but enjoyable to live with. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the 2026 Falcon makes a huge statement. Ford is offering multiple powertrains, starting with a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder that puts out around 330 horsepower, giving plenty of punch for the everyday driver. But the real excitement comes from the new twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, delivering a massive 480 horsepower and nearly 500 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly during normal driving, but snaps into gear aggressively when you push it into sport mode. For those who want maximum performance, Ford is also rumored to be working on a high-output Falcon R variant producing over 550 horsepower. And while Ford hasn't confirmed all the numbers, insiders say it will rival modern muscle sedans and even some European sports sedans. The handling is sharp and responsive thanks to a stiffer chassis, revised suspension tuning, and optional magnetic dampers that adjust in real time. Whether you're carving corners on a mountain road or cruising on the highway, the Falcon feels planted, controlled, and confident. The steering has a satisfying weight to it, providing good feedback without feeling twitchy. Ford has also improved braking, fitting the Falcon with large ventilated rotors and multi-piston calipers for consistent stopping power, even under high-speed stress. The car's aerodynamics help stabilize it at higher speeds, reducing lift and improving balance. Fuel efficiency remains respectable given the performance, thanks to cylinder deactivation, improved cooling systems, and smarter transmission mapping that keeps the engine in its ideal power band. Drivers can customize their driving experience with selectable drive modes that adjust throttle response, steering feel, suspension stiffness, shift timing, and even exhaust note. You can choose between normal, eco, sport, track, and individual mode, letting you fine-tune the Falcon's behavior to match your mood. Whether you want a calm daily cruiser or a ferocious performance machine, the Falcon adapts instantly. For safety and technology, Ford equips the 2026 Falcon with its latest Co-Pilot 360 system, offering adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot assist, rear cross-traffic alerts, emergency braking, parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Optional features include hands-free Blue Cruise highway driving, automatic lane changes, and an AI-assisted driver monitor that tracks your attention level. These systems work together to deliver a safer and more convenient driving experience, especially on long trips. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where buyers will start making decisions. The 2026 Ford Falcon is expected to start around the mid-$40,000 range for the base turbocharged 4-cylinder model. The V6 powered performance model will likely land in the low to mid-$50,000 range, depending on options. The top-tier Falcon R, if officially released, is expected to stretch into the low $70,000 range. Considering the performance, technology, and overall refinement, these prices position the Falcon competitively against rivals like the Dodge Charger, Nissan Maxima, and even some German sedans. Offering a compelling mix of value and capability, the return of the Falcon is a bold move by Ford, and based on what we've seen, it's absolutely the right one. The design is modern and aggressive, the interior feels premium, the performance is thrilling, and the pricing makes it accessible without compromising quality. It appeals to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers, capturing the spirit of the original while introducing innovations that bring it firmly into the future. If you're looking for a sedan that blends speed, style, practicality, and value, the 2026 Falcon might be one of the most exciting options of the year.